Imagine walking into a clinic and your doctor is an AI. Sounds wild? Well, it's happening right here in India. India is quickly becoming the world's health tech hotspot. We've got over 80,000 wellness centers and 638 digital hospitals running across the country. That's not all. Every year, more than 5 lakh foreign patients are flying in to get treated here. Why? Because India offers world-class care at just a tenth of the global price tag. It's affordable, it's cutting edge, and thanks to AI, it's smarter than ever before. From diagnosis to treatment plans, AI is helping doctors make faster, more accurate decisions and bringing quality healthcare to even the remotest villages. So next time you think of a doctor, don't just picture a person in a white coat. Think AI, think India. The revolution is not coming, it's already here. Want to know more? Follow at Angel Technologies for your weekly dose of health tech. #HealthTech #India I #Techno series.